something? In this season, if your flesh convinces you to sleep in this season, you will not win the battle. You are a generation of deliverers. But yet there has to be a Jonathan and an armor bearer that's willing to get on his knees and begin to crawl to the battle. What's in this place? Youth pastors, if you
I got wow.
We in the mountains.
I